Hi, today you will learn how to record audio in Kdenlive. So for example, we have here this project and we want to insert here a new audio which have been recorded in our microphone. So if you want to do it, you need to first check if your microphone is added to the Kdenlive. So you need to go to the settings, you need to go to configure Kdenlive, and here we need to open capture settings. Now we need to go to audio tab, and here you need to select which device you want to use. So here I have my microphone, so I select it, and now I set the sample rate to the highest, so I select this one option, and after that I click apply button. Then I click OK button, and I need to now click rightmost button on the audio track, so it is for example audio track, and I click rightmost button here, I go to insert track, then I need to type the track name, for example my first audio, and it is very important to check your audio record track. And after that we need to click OK button, and now if you will scroll down, you will be able to see here this one track, and here you will see this one icon. It will let you to record your audio. So if you will click on it, you will see the countdown. So I click here, and after that I can start recording. So it is simple recording which I want to insert in my timeline. So I click now on this one icon to stop recording, and how you see my words have been successfully recorded here. So we can move this recording to the start, and of course you can play it by clicking on this one icon, but of course I don't want to do it now because I'm recording the tutorial. And of course you can edit this audio if you want, everything depends on your preferences. So it is how it works. If I helped you to record audio in Kdenlive, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.